How about having a question like this, solving factorization? So we have two separate questions. So let me use a line rule, solving both of them. Remember, always put your general equation of a quadratic equation. We're going to put it up here. In this case, we have it as ax squared plus bx plus c equals to 0. Now, remember, steps to solving. First, identify it. So in this case, we have our a equals to 4, right? Our b, if you're trying to write it, b is supposed to be x. We don't have anything with x, so it means our b value is 0. Now c value is what? Minus 36. So our two important steps to solve this. Let me put it down here. I'll just put it somewhere short here. Easy to solve it. First, multiply a by c. That's to solve factorization. A by c. Whatever I get as your answer, you keep it. The next step, find what? Find two values, two factors, such that multiplying will give you multiplying equals to d, and adding them is equal to b. So let's just keep this one down here. B, which is this b. So let's follow the two rules. 1, 2. So it says two facts. First, a and c. What's our a? A is our 4, c is 36. So we'll now do 4 times 36. C is minus 36. Minus 36 gives you what? 4 times 6, 24. 4 times 3, 12 plus 2, 14. Remember, it's a negative sign, we'll bring our minus, so we have it as minus 144. So they said, what are the two factors such that when you multiply it to give you d, which is 144, and when you add it to give you b, which is in this case 0. So now look at this. Okay, what are the common factors of 144? We have it as 144 and 1. But if we add it, it will not give us 0. Remember, since we have it as minus, it means one of the signs must be negative. Even if I have minus 144 and 1 to give me 0. So I have 12 and 12 is another factor. One of it must be what? The negative sign to make it minus 144 when you multiply. So I have minus 12 times 14 gives me minus 144. However, minus 12 plus 12 gives me what? 0. So these are my two factors. So next thing, I will write. So I have this as what? 4x squared minus 12x plus 12x minus 36 is equal to what? 0. So remember, group. So I'm having this, if I group these two, what's common to both of them? I see the x in both of them. 4 can actually go to 12. So if I bring out 4x, I'll still be safe. So I bring out 4x, I'll now be having x. That's 4x over x squared is x minus 12x over 4x will now give me 3. So I go plus, I come here. What's common to these two? Okay, can 12 go into 36? Oh yes, 12 can go to 36. How many times? 3 times. So I bring out 12. So now 12x into 12 is x minus 36 into 12, 3. Like I said, whenever you have what's in your bracket as the same, you're actually going the right path. So I'm having this as 4x plus 12 x minus 3 equals to 0. So I equate it separately. 4x plus 12 is equals to 0. It means 4x is equals to minus 12. X is now equals to minus 12 all over 4, which is equals to minus 3. For the next one, x minus 3 is equals to 0. That means x is equals to what? Positive 3. So this is one method. There is another easy method to look at this if you want to look at it in another way. So the next easy method to look at this is, I have to erase this. This is the one you do by factorization. I'll have to erase this to give you another easier method. So if you have something similar to this, what you just somehow do, sometimes you just do that, is you have 4x squared minus 36 is equals to 0. So minus 4x squared is equals to what? If you take this one here, 36, you don't have any complications. So divide all through by 4. So you'll be having x squared is equals to 36 all over 4, which is equals to 9. So x squared, x is now equals to the square root of plus or minus 9, which is now equals to plus or minus 3. However, this is not by factorization, but this is another method that you can actually use to find the roots of the equation or to find the value of x. Now to the next question. It's still following the same rules. Multiply. Here we have our a to the what 1, b to the what minus 1, c to the what minus 6. So multiplying a by c gives us what? 1 times minus 6 is equal to what? Minus 6. So what are the two factors of minus 6? Now when we add it to give us what? Minus 1, which is our b. So come here, what are the factors of minus 6? 1 and 6 and minus 6, 2 and 3. So remember, since we have minus 6, it means one of these two factors has to be negative. So if we have 1 and 6, maybe minus 1 and 6, minus 2 and 3, we now check. Minus 2 plus 3 gives me 1. So if I have 2 and minus 3, I'm having minus 1. So it means these are the two factors. So I rewrite my equation again. And I'm having x squared minus 2 plus 2x minus 3x minus 6 is equal to what? 0. So again, group it. So I group these two together, and then I group these two together. Put my plus sign here. If I have a negative plus sign here, that will be plus that group. So I have this as what's common to these two? X, right? X plus 2 plus. I can put my plus if I want. If I don't, I just put it later. I just look at it. So here now look. What's now common to this group? 3 can go into it, okay? We see how the minus sign can cancel out. So if I should bring out my minus 3, what is going to happen? Minus 3x minus 3 gives me x alone. Minus 6 minus 3 minus cancel gives me 2. Like I said, once you have this like this, you know you're going in the right direction. So we're having x minus 3 is equal to x minus 3. Then we'll be having x minus 3. Now you're having x plus 2 is equals to 0. In this case, x minus 3 is equals to 0. X plus 2 is equal to 0. So it means x equals to 3, x equals to minus 2, and that is the final answer.